If you're preparing for the new SAP Certified Project Manager, SAP Activate exam, here's the biggest mistake candidates make. They study SAP Activate theory but never practice making real project decisions. The 2026 performance-based exam evaluates how you respond to project scenarios, communicate with stakeholders, manage risks, and lead SAP implementations. In this video, you'll work through exam-style SAP scenarios, similar to what an AI examiner could present. By the end, you'll think more like an SAP project manager, not just a test taker. This certification validates skills in planning, stakeholder management, communication, change management, testing, quality management, and project transitions using SAP Activate. Let's jump into your first SAP exam simulation. Scenario 1. Stakeholder resistance. During Discover phase, you are leading a new SAP S/4HANA implementation using SAP Activate. During the Discover phase, several department heads refuse to attend workshops because they believe the project will disrupt their operations. The sponsor asks for your recommendation. AI examiner. Question. As project manager, what should you do first? Best candidate response. I would initiate targeted stakeholder engagement sessions to understand concerns, align expectations, and communicate project benefits. Using SAP Activate principles, stakeholder alignment must occur early to avoid resistance later in the project lifecycle. I would document concerns, create a communication plan, and ensure executive sponsorship supports engagement activities. AI examiner. Cross. Question. Why not immediately escalate the issue to senior management? Best candidate response. Escalation should be used when direct engagement fails. A project manager should first attempt to resolve concerns through communication and stakeholder management before escalating. This approach promotes collaboration and stronger long-term adoption. Exam tip. The AI examiner is evaluating stakeholder management, communication skills, and leadership judgment. Scenario 2. Project timeline. Slippage. You're entering the explore phase. Several business process workshops have been delayed, creating risk to the project timeline. AI examiner. Question. How would you respond? Best candidate response. First, I would perform schedule impact analysis. Next, I would identify critical path activities, prioritize high-impact work streams, and evaluate resource availability. I would update the project plan and communicate impacts transparently to stakeholders. AI examiner. Cross. Question. Would you automatically extend the go-live date? Best candidate response. Not immediately. Alternative mitigation options such as resource reallocation, schedule compression, and workshop prioritization should be evaluated before adjusting major milestones. Exam tip. Expect questions testing project planning and execution decisions. If you're finding these SAP exam tasks valuable, consider practicing additional SAP exam simulations on pass4success.com. The more scenario-based questions you complete, the more comfortable you'll become with SAP's AI role-play format. Scenario 3. Change Management Challenge. The project is progressing successfully, but user adoption remains low. Employees continue using legacy processes. AI examiner. Question. What should you do? Best candidate response. I would strengthen organizational change management activities. This includes communication campaigns, leadership engagement, targeted training, and user readiness assessments. Successful implementation requires both technical deployment and user adoption. AI examiner. Cross. Question. Why is training alone insufficient? Best candidate response. Training teaches users how to perform tasks. Change management helps users understand why change is occurring and encourages adoption. Both are necessary for successful transformation. Exam tip. The AI examiner often evaluates business transformation thinking rather than purely technical answers. Scenario 4. Testing defect. Before go live, a critical defect is discovered during user acceptance testing. Go live is scheduled in 2 weeks. AI examiner. Question. What is your recommendation? Best candidate response. I would assess defect severity, business impact, and remediation effort. The decision should be risk-based and supported by quality management processes. If the defect threatens business operations, corrective action must occur before go-live. AI Examiner. Cross-question. Can the project proceed despite the defect? Best candidate response. Only if risk analysis confirms acceptable impact and stakeholders approve the mitigation strategy. Quality and business continuity must remain priorities. Exam tip. This scenario evaluates testing and quality management competency. Scenario 5. Cloud versus on-premise. Recommendation. A customer is evaluating deployment options. Leadership asks whether they should pursue a cloud-based model or retain an on-premise environment. AI Examiner. Question. How would you approach the discussion? Best candidate response. I would evaluate business objectives, compliance requirements, operational capabilities, scalability needs, and long-term transformation goals. SAP Activate supports both cloud and on-premise implementation approaches. The recommendation should align with business strategy rather than personal preference. AI Examiner. Cross. Question. When might Rise with SAP become relevant? Best candidate response. Rise with SAP can support organizations seeking business transformation, cloud adoption, and streamlined operations through an integrated transformation approach. Exam tip. The examiner is assessing strategic consulting capability. Today, you completed realistic exam simulations, the same types of scenarios the new SAP performance-based exam is designed to evaluate. Remember, this exam isn't testing memorization. It's testing your ability to make decisions like an SAP Project Manager using SAP Activate. Continue your preparation with our SAP certification playlist, where we cover advanced exam tasks, hands-on practice, and consultant-level scenarios. And if you're serious about passing the exam, visit pass4success.com and keep sharpening your skills with realistic practice questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next SAP certification training session.